this garage door, and as you can see, we're replacing another garage door that wasn't maintained over the years. Now, we prefer to repair garage doors and openers, but if we have to replace them, we're more than happy to do a nice job for you. Now, this door, when we're done, is going to be beautiful. It's going to raise the value of this house. It's going to change the look of this home. It will be nice, smooth, and quiet because you're getting a new garage door opener. This one's been noisy for the last 20 years. And the new one's going to be nice and quiet. It's going to have safety and trapping system on it, so it won't close on children or animals, and it'll be a much better system. So if we can help you out, please give us a call, 407-281-1455. We have a wide variety of garage doors to choose from, and if we can help you out, please let us know. Again, 407-281-1455. Thanks.